Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. So today in this video we will see how to restart your npm, your Node.js server without using any external dependency. So previously in all the videos you have seen in the YouTube or in the Google, all the users or all the developers use nodemon to restart their server. But after Node.js 18, there is a new update of restarting your server without any external dependency. So basically I will first show how to do with nodemon, how to use without nodemon. And I prefer using without nodemon because it doesn't. So let's start npm start and the server will get started. You can see. So server started here. So if you have to use without using any external dependency, so you can go here, remove this node money from here, and here you can type node dash watch and the file, the main file that is the server. So this is the command. You can say node dash watch hyphen watch in the index file. So this was this video. Thank you.